What adjustment would you perform for elbow and knee pain?
In elbow and knee pain, I would go and perform a wall adjustment, standing or seated, in the middle of the spine. The middle of the spine is the apex of the spine, and when we adjust in the middle back area, we release any kind of problem that's taking place in a hinge joint. A hinge joint is the elbow or knee, and it will actually flex. And so in this situation, when we do an adjustment in that area, we immediately improve pain and function in the elbow and the knee.
So sports injuries in ankles and wrists, those are not hinge joints.
No. A sports injury in the ankle and wrist region, what we see when an athlete injures a wrist or ankle is we see their head extend back at the same time that the ankle sprain takes place or the wrist sprain takes place. So when we see that, we know that there is a fixation in the upper back region, and if we adjust that area of the body, we will immediately improve the function in the wrist and ankle. It's quite amazing. And I have found this over the last 25 years. And when we do this, it just blows out the patient's minds because they cannot believe that this simple upper back adjustment reduces their pain in their wrist and ankle.
You're saying when certain sports injuries occur, it's almost like what we think of as the classic whiplash reaction in a car.
Yes. If you watch an athlete, a basketball player, land on someone's foot, you will see the head extend at the time of that injury. And the same is true if you're watching a baseball player running after a fly ball and having to dive, and when they catch the ball, they sprain the wrist, you see their head extend back. In both situations, that is creating an injury in the upper back area, and when that's treated, we can improve the function in the wrist and ankle, and that's why it's a missing link in sports injury, and that's why every pro team, every college team, every amateur athlete should be consciously aware that this technology exists, because when used with other technologies, it's going to make those other technologies work so much better.
I see.